Hello. In this video, I will examine the CCI NMA level crossing alerts indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the CCI indicator, which is smoothed by the NMA or natural moving average indicator, and it provides us with more reliable signals compared to the original CCI, effectively filtering out noise. This indicator consists of a line that has two colors. When the line is trending up.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Upwards, it is green, and when it is trending downwards, it is orange. Additionally, two levels are marked here for us, which are the overbought and oversold levels. We can specify these in the input based on the symbol we are trading and the time frame we are trading on. We can also use the divergence of price peaks and valleys with this indicator as a signal to enter a trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period, which is the same as the CCI calculation period. The longer we set this period, the smoother the line will be. The next option is the price, on which the calculations are performed, with the default being the close price, and we can choose from these options. The next option is the smoothing period, or the NMA smoothing, and the following option is another parameter we have in the NMA smoothing. We can set these two periods to our desired values. The higher we set these values, the smoother the lines will be. This indicator can work in two modes, which we can specify in this option. The first mode is that we have the CCI indicator, but the CCI is applied to prices that have been smoothed by the NMA indicator, which is the first mode. The second mode is that the price is the same price that we specify here, and the CCI is calculated on it. And then we smooth these calculated CCI values using the NMA indicator. We can use either of the two modes. The next option is the width of the line that it draws here, and we can specify a number between 1 and 5, where 1 is the thinnest. The next option specifies the overbought line or overbought level, and the next option is the oversold level. The following options are for alerts. If the first option is true, we will have alerts in general. If the next option is true, it will issue an alert for us when entering overbought or oversold areas. If the next option is true, it will issue an alert for us when exiting overbought or oversold areas. If the next option is true, it will issue the alert in the current candle that is still open. But if it is false, it will wait until the candle closes and stabilizes, and then it will issue the alert. If the next option is true, when it wants to issue an alert, it will display it as a board message on the screen. If the next option is true, it will play the alert as an audio sound for us. If the next option is true, we will also have the alert in our mailbox. And the last option is the audio file used for the audio alert. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings and inputs are exactly the same as the MetaTrader 5 version settings. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.